And the best part about it is that the food is free and you only have $5 to get in and to get the shoes. And if you want food, it's free. So eat as much as you want. You can go bowling as much as you want, but you have to buy food. But don't eat too much or you'll get silly and you're going to look like a bowling ball. A big fat one. Now, when you're done bowling, all you have to do is take it all up and then throw it in the air. What? And it all fell down. Go to Emma before. Go now. Or we'll kill you.